while others waste food, how would you balance compassion and accountability in solving poverty without creating dependency?
I believe it's for the government that we have to demand them for compassion and accountability, because public servants earn the trust of the people. So in every decision that they make, it must serve the people with fairness, integrity, and compassion. I believe that decisions or projects should uplift lives, protect human rights, and promote common good, and